something. I got something. I think it maybe took the bait. Oh, it took the hook too. Holy crap. It was big. So let me get this back out there because I know there's something there. Look at this. It's a catfish. Let's see. It's not very big, so in it goes. All right. Okay, I'm at Blue Marsh, and it is Monday, the 1st of August, about 11 o'clock. I got something, 11:30. I got something here, huh? Catfish. Yeah. Nice one. Yep. Let's see. Let's see what I could do here. Let me measure him. So he is, let's see. He's about, come on, stay still. He's about, oh man, 14 inches. 14 and a half inches. So, let me see if I could. See if I could do it like this. About 11:58, and I got something, or maybe it just got off. Son of a gun. I think I got it. Probably another catfish. Yep, it took the bait. I think I pulled it too quick. All right. I thought I was hung up on something, but I got something. Shoot, now it's tangled up on the other line. All right, well, let me untangle these a little bit. Okay, let's see what I have. First, let's see. It's shit. It's really tangled up on the other one. Okay. Here you go. This is another one. All right, let's see what I got tangled up here.